If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos family, today we are continuing on with our hero's journey, and this section is about helpers. I mean, there's so many stories. It's part of the hero's journey, so it's going to be in every story, right? Or maybe the better crafted stories. There's a lot of stories out there that just don't capture my attention the way that they capture others' attention. I was going to say they just don't do it for me, but that's not true. The more I dig into some stories that I just weren't not excited about early on, I'm beginning to see more because I have a greater depth of experience or so many other things. But the thought here with the helpers, my mind goes back to so many different movies and seeing the helpers within that story. One of the obvious, and I don't know, perhaps the most watched series, but again, it created such a, the way that the story was told seemed too slow to some, it seemed too drastic to others, and so there's still a good portion of people that didn't. But The Lord of the Rings has such a powerful base in use on the helpers. It's incredible. It drew in every part of the story, the characters, and the people that resided in different sections, even so, to the point that Tolkien created a map and named the sections of it with its his use of the mountain ranges and the wooded areas. His imagination just ran crazy, using both what he saw and understood and experienced of the creation of the world and that sort of methodology to be able to explain and to bring into being the wholeness of his story. I mean, the depth at which he took to craft that story, The Lord of the Rings, he created and formed linguistic forms of those I was going to say creatures. I guess you could say creatures, but it's not like any of them were alien to the world in which they were made. But the languages of the elves, the dwarves, some of the languages were not even complete, but they still existed in one form or another. And so the language of the hobbits kind of seeming to be the English in our form, were what everybody was united in using. And the draw of the helpers and how they were focused on the same plan and unity of that plan is just incredible. How detailed, and the helpers are focused on completing the objective, supporting the hero. You see the parallels to photography. All of the supports we use, all of the lighting, all of the motion, anything else has to support our hero. And that is a big thing about our helpers, whether it be props, whether it be people, whether it be anything else. The heroes are supported and must continue to be supported by their helpers. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing your comments down below as to what helpers you're using or what helpers you are experiencing in your journey as a hero. But also give us a thumbs up so that people can watch and come along on this journey with us. If you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription and add you to our Photos family. Thank you so much. God bless.